Dime piece with the 9-piece, she local. She goes bananas, fruit punch and kiss game like she knows the Joker. Only 15 years old in here, bosses picking her up in Range Rovers. That's when I finally realized, oh shit, life gets real and the games is over. Dime piece with the 9-piece, she gorgeous, take your fucking breath away. Dime piece with the 9-piece, she remind me of something sweet, put it in my face. Dime piece with the 9-piece, she the coldest, I ain't never seen a motherfucker in a lane. Dime piece with the 9-piece, better talk that shit from a distance, cause she close range. Dime piece with the 9-piece, she a fucking beast, somebody need to put her on the leash. Dime piece with the 9-piece, if you need something gone, it's gone, just take a piece. Dime piece with the 9-piece, she's silent, but don't get it twisted, she'll start a riot. This type of piece can't fit in the puzzle. If she feel cornered, you might be in trouble. Pussy ass niggas can't hold her or touch her. She like a boss man that knows how to cut her. Eat the pussy sloppy while she counting bread. Ooh, what's that on your lip? Truffle butter. I hope you know you fucking with a sinner. Best believe she a real go-getter. She ain't even gotta be the center of attention. Bitch so bad, put her ass in detention. Dime piece with the 9-piece, she a hot individual, never being into being typical. Dime piece with the 9-piece, hell yeah, I can't even lie, that bitch is difficult. Drinking the J out of sippy cup. Road trip, bitch, hit sippy up. Let me smoke my trees and swing my weave while I'm blowing wet kisses out the window, cuz. Yeah. Dime piece with the 9-piece, she's super awesome. She stays so fly from head to toe, and yes, her swag is bossing. Can't even hate, the devil is a lie. If you try to outdo it, your swag gon' die. Pussy ass nigga, what you wanna pipe it up? Put the 9-piece in his mouth, that'll shut him up. We wasted as hell, winter almost up. Springtime roll around, rolling with a thug. I weighing in my options, running out of luck. Dime piece with the 9-piece, equipped. Dime piece with the 9-piece, so sick. You might catch the bug, so wrap your face up. Let's keep it steady focused, less turn it does. Stop wasting my time, please don't waste the drugs. All of these bitches just thirsty for hugs and smiling your face and be wanting your man. You comical trick, let me be your pimp. Show you some things, help you pay your rent. I know, you salty as fuck. I know, I got you fucked up. Well, bitch, you got me bent and I don't give a fuck. I turn to the devil in this bitch real quick. Gotta know that I spit bars, huh? I can build a fucking prison. Bitch, this is a gift, it's a given. I know a givens. Her name Taniqua. Don't fuck with that bitch, cause it'll be nice to meet you. Meet your maker, I ain't going with you. I ain't going with you. Who the fuck is riding with you, bitch, Where the fuck is Hissa? Where all them niggas that was riding with you in your fucking picture? Yeah, that's Facebook likes, and niggas what the fuck didn't know the dish you. Bitch, wait, stop up, tell them what's up. You know I didn't motherfucking get them bands up. You gotta know that I get it. Gotta know that I keep it pimping, and I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I be walking with that limping. Oh, they be like, who is that? Oh, they be like, who is that? Oh, she got his but that ass ain't really that fat, but fuck that. Who is that? Scarface.